guys, we're back. I'm Erin and I'm here today with my daughter Quinn. And today's hairstyle is a Dutch fishtail to a ponytail. But we thought we would do something a little bit fun for this video and give away all the product that I used to create this look. So that includes a hot iron holster, some Not Your Mother's Whip It Up mousse, some Kristen S loose styling powder, some bobby pins, elastics, a wet brush, a comb, a topsy tail, and a Royce flat iron. We hope that you enter and we hope that you enjoy this video, and with that, we're going to get started. Begin by sectioning off a wide section of hair on top of the head. Clip this hair out of the way and then take the remainder of the hair and put it in a low ponytail. Go back and release the hair on top, and then begin the braid by dividing a small section of hair into two parts. Cross these two sections before starting the braid. Starting on the right side, pick up a small section of new hair and add it to a small section of hair from the right main section. Combine these pieces and cross them under the right and add them to the left main section. Next, pick up new hair on the left and add it to a small amount of hair from the left main section. Combine these pieces, cross them under the left, and add them to the right. Return to the right side and pick up a new section of hair, and then add it to a small section of hair from the right main section. Combine them together, cross them under the right, and then add them to the left. Return to the left side and pick up another section of new hair. Add it to a small amount of hair from the left main section. Combine these pieces, take them under the left, and add them to the right. Continue repeating this pattern. Extend the braid for a couple of inches as a regular fishtail and then secure with an elastic. Next, sprinkle on some volumizing powder or loose styling powder over the braid. This powder gives the hair grip and it allows you to pull it bigger. Take your time and pull each section out. Gather the remainder of the hair into a high ponytail. I like to spray it with water while I'm doing this. I'll add spray gel or I'll add mousse to keep it smooth and to help it hold. And then combine the braid with the ponytail with a thin elastic. And then you're going to take a small piece of hair from the ponytail, wrap it around the elastics, and then use the topsy tail to pull it back through and secure it in place. To finish, you want to flat iron the ponytail to make it smooth and sleek.